on the sound side. Come on. Huh. You guys were kayaking near it, but in the...
Yeah, we made it out into the sound, but we were much farther down.
Okay. Oh, darny. Is it just more flat?
Yeah.
Any waves at all?
You can go over to the shops across the street and they have like decking in the back.
That's true. Still have a little time to catch some breakfast, I'm sure. You can protect each other.
Malcolm said he's going to put one in her hair.
The good thing we didn't get down here at 6:20 like we were supposed to.
Yeah.
We'd be standing
I
around.
decided to check it last night right before I went
Good
to
idea.
sleep, and I'm glad I did. It's at 7 a.m. Then I'm like, is it like 7 until it's fully up, or is it 7 when it first comes up, or I don't know.
I don't know. We better be there at 7. We're coming this way. Wow. We're pretty good at catching.
Yeah.
I had heartburn all night from that festival. I mean, I can't get up with the go away from the studio a bit. It's very good
pretty
there.
that is.
I know. I was just going to say that. And they are going to stand there and videotape. And they see us here. Like, they know how rude they are.
Two fat asses are going to stand right next to each other.
Tell them to move. I bet you could pop